So to turn your keyboard light on, first you want to make sure on your space bar that you've got that little sign there. It's like a little light. So you just press an hold function, 1, 2, gives it brighter, and then 3 off. So first level, second level brightness, and then off. Put your function key on and off, your function lock on, look, you press the function button and press and hold escape. When it's lit up, you've got special functions on the top of here. So you've got volume control, mute your mic, brightness controls, settings, so you go straight to your settings page. I'll just go in, so you go F8, no F9, and it should have gone to your settings page, but that one ain't worked for some reason. I'll have to have a look at that. We got volume control. Okay, so when that light's on, it's locked off, and then when it's on, it works. So up and down, F9, as you can see, I don't know what I'm doing. Can't seem to get it into settings for some reason, but the other ones work. See volume buttons. Brightness. Looks like Wi-Fi button on and off. I'll have to go through them myself and have a look.